So you did catch it, if you're recording.
I started it like a few seconds, like a second after
Well,
that.
keep it down low enough that it can see the horizon.
I thought that was a fire.
Nope. Oh, yeah. With lightning, this is awesome. I haven't seen a 4th of July like this since 2012.
Now we can get very well electrocuted, but either way, it's like...
It's all good. It's all good.
I see it
This is awesome with the lightning.
I'm getting this now.
Oh boy. Oh, firecrackers. Big roll of firecrackers. Big old road.
You can't even see me.
Barely.
I can't see you. Are we going to set up our own?
We'll see.